Good day, everyone, and Merry Christmas! It's Nyoka here, out on the track, boots dusty, heart full, and feeling extra grateful this festive season. Looking out over this sun-drenched stretch of red earth with a hint of camp lights twinkling as the sun dips down, I can't help but reflect on the magic of this time of year. Because Christmas for many of us isn't just about presents, it's about presence. Being present, being with the people you love, and cherishing the little moments that make life beautiful. This year, 2025, has been one for the books. We've chased dreams down dusty creeks, unearthed stories from old workings, felt the thrill of that first glint of gold in a pan, and yes, shared some tough moments too. But as we gather around fires and tables across towns, backyards and camps, it's the shared laughs, the warmth of easy company, and the sparkle in someone's eye that feels like the richest gold of all. Now, Christmas for an Aussie prospector isn't about blanket snow or sleigh bells, though I do appreciate a good Yuletide tune. For us, it might be the glow of the late summer sun, the smell of a barbie sizzling, cold drinks raised at sunset, and the joy of community wherever we make home. I remember my first Christmas out here on country. It was hot, dusty, and my hat was older than half the gear I was using. But what I learnt that day wasn't about finding gold, it was about finding gratitude. Gratitude for the mates who'd stand beside me, for the hands that helped when a dig got tough, and the joy of even the smallest nugget, because each one reminded me that persistence pays off in more ways than one. And if you're watching this from near or far, on a beach, in a city, out in the bush, or right here alongside me, thank you for being part of this journey. Thank you for tuning in, for laughing at the chaos, celebrating the wins, and even for enduring the setbacks with me. Because without you, the watchers, the supporters, the curious souls, the journey would be a solitary one. But instead, it feels like a shared adventure. Christmas is a time of giving, and not just gifts wrapped under a tree. It's giving time to those we care about. It's giving kindness to someone who needs a smile. It's giving patience when it's easier to rush. It's giving hope, especially to the ones who need it most. So here's what I want to share with you this festive season. Wherever you are seen. Whatever you've been through this year, you've grown. And whatever path you're walking into 2026, you're not walking it alone. See, that's what Christmas means to me, connection. It's the reason we light up our homes and our hearts. It's the reason we travel long distances just to hug someone we love. It's the reason we choose joy even when life gets heavy. Now, I know a lot of you love traditions. Maybe it's the food, maybe it's the music. Maybe it's that yearly movie you watch no matter how many times you've seen it. And for me, one of my favorite traditions is the Christmas breakfast. Picture this: golden sunshine, a campfire still warm from dawn, sausages on the grill, laughter mixing with the crackle of coals, and a moment of peace before the day kicks off. Magic, right? But beyond traditions, Christmas is also a reminder, a nudge from the universe to celebrate life. To celebrate the people who stayed when times got hard. To celebrate the lessons you learned, even the ones that hurt. To celebrate the tiny victories that felt huge in the moment. And yes, to celebrate the gold you found and the gold you didn't, because even the search taught you something. So if you find yourself feeling a little worn, a little overwhelmed, or just plain tired, take a breath, look around. There is beauty in the ordinary. There is strength in your story. And there is joy waiting in the next sunrise. This Christmas, I hope you feel warmth in your heart that matches our Aussie summer sun. I hope laughter echoes through your gatherings. I hope you make memories that stick like glitter on your clothes, joyous, bright, unforgettable. And most of all, I hope you know this. You are loved, you are welcomed, and here's to another year of chasing dreams, finding gold, and embracing every moment along the way. From my camp to your home, Merry Christmas 2025, and may your days ahead be filled with peace, adventure, and the richest kind of joy.